This was my first Congolese conference in California. For many years, it was one of my first CDs that I ever had. But then I saw Mampuya, Kiazi, they came and supported. And then you had some phenomenal musicians with Balakita and Roxy and the dancers, the dance instructors. Again, a phenomenal lineup of the young Congolese culture here in America and the older foundation that brought Congo culture here to the United States.
Yeah.
And it just was beautiful for me because seeing all of them come together in one place to support you, it made the conference a success. The food was
I'm enjoying so much to your conference. So everything was well. I'm happy. I can't wait to come here next year. Good food.
Thank you for everything. Thank you for your support.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Michael. Came from Michigan to support. Thank you, everybody. That was the first time, so the second time is gonna be amazing, amazing, amazing. Thank you again. That's to say, one love.
One love.
Thank you.
This is the best. Thank you.
Dondo.